All right, welcome again. In the last session on 3rd of March, we had seen or gone through the filling and packing setup for item number 1 through 7. So how to set up simulations, determine gate locations, number of gates, gate types, runner layout and sizes, how to build the mesh, how to select the material, and then determine the process conditions and then run the simulation. Today, we will be looking at filling and packing issues and the result interpretation that comes with it, and how to use the Moldex 3D software, the studio, to identify these issues and what to look out for, and how to use these 9 questions on the right here in order to get a successful injection molding simulation using Moldex 3D software. So the first question here is, will the part fill? Now this is an important question. Yes, it is very basic, but yes, it is nonetheless the most important one. If the part is not filled, then we will have what is called as a short. Uh, In order to look for these, we are going to look at 3 results. Melt front time is the most basic or the most important one. The first one in the list that we have, followed by the sprue pressure curve and the flow rate that will go with it. We'll also look at the fill log file for that. The melt front time, like I said, it's the most obvious one when it comes to having a short result displayed. The part is considered to be short if it is not 100% filled. Now in this example here, we have a short that's less than 50% filled, and we'll see as to when this kind of extreme cases do happen. But on the other extreme is that we have seen parts that are 99.5% filled. So visually it is kind of difficult to say whether the part is filled or not unless you really go out and look for it.